Good evening, Vampire Witch. How's your stay going so far?
Pretty good. I've been in worse places, thanks for asking.
So I have to ask you, why did you rope my brother into this vampire werewolf war? I really like to know.
Well, like I told your brother, I done it because I could. I know that's not what you want to hear, but that's what it is.
I can't do this, you talk to her, bro.
Bakit mo binabagabag ang asawa ko at ang buhay namin? I just had this conversation with your sister-in-law. Do I need to repeat myself again? I know about 50 different languages and I'm 300 years old, so in fact, I'm older than this country, America. Okay, sa Tagalog, ayoko sa'yo sa bahay na to, hindi kita gusto, pero kailangan ka namin pansamantala, I think.
Mas mahirap naman ko sa kasagaling labi ni Kanya. Mamalasan ko 1,000 taong ka ng matanda at nakakilala ni 1,000 kong kaibigan na bang wikaran.
Okay, that's enough, ladies. Now, I didn't understand my wife on that last part, but it's time for me to talk to you, vampire.